Okay, so this was my daughter's old jacket. She was getting rid of it. It wasn't in a good enough condition to donate, so I decided to cut this apart. 2 ovals. You need a circle, little ear shapes, and 4 legs. The legs, I actually cut the hemline. So I'll show you that in a minute. So where they connect the fabrics together, you'll have a nice connection line here. These make perfect legs. Time to glue it together. Start with this oval. Place the stick on top. Your next oval. You could add a tail to the back. I did not. You could also sew this together instead of gluing it. But if you're making them ahead of time for your class, this is easy and quick. Could have slid these in there first too, the legs. And I like it without a face, but you could of course put a face on. I was really lucky enough to find these bells. They were part of a craft grab bag kind of thing at a thrift store, but you could always buy the little bells at craft stores. String one on. So cute, so easy, fast to make, and then your kids can have a great time using their imagination. Hot glued that too. Ta-da! Enjoy!